amigos, my name is Anna Jaworski. I am the person behind Spanish Playdates. I wanted to introduce you to our new program that is going to be online, and it's going to be especially for you or your children. This program I'm putting together is exactly what I do here at the studio, but it's designed for you to take it home. It's designed for you to put the videos, play the music, and follow the instructions directly at home. You could do it, grandma can do it, your caregivers can do it. Any nannies, any babysitters that you have at home is able to have those extra minutes with your child and work on the language. So this is for you, for all the parents who are not able to attend our studio here in Ohio. So it's called Mi Rincón de Español. Each page is going to have one specific theme. This is going to be, for example, this is going to be the ABCs, el ABC, los números del 1 al 10, from 1 to 10, los animales del zoológico, los animales de la granja, los colores, las figuras, las frutas, los vegetales, los días de la semana, los meses del año, and so on. So what we are doing here is that each paper that you just saw really quick is going to have a dedicated class. It's going to take about 15 minutes to 30 minutes. Each class is going to have an activity, it's going to have a game, it's going to have a song, and you can do it at home. Now, the wonderful news about this is that you can master each class because you can play the songs, you can play the videos every time you want to see them, every time you want to watch them, every time you have a family time and you are ready to work on the Spanish at home. So this is very useful and very fun to do it when you are with your little ones. All the details on what to do in each class is going to be described inside of our website. So you can go to SpanishPlaydates.com, and there is a tab that is for digital products. So you can download those materials or each class one by one. So we're going to have one dedicated class for the ABCs, for the games, for the coloring pages, for everything. One group only for numbers from 1 to 10, and you are going to work with the song. You are going to work with a specific animal. In this case it's patos. You're going to learn how to say dog and little dog and how to sing it with your child. You can do it even before going to bed. Instead of, you can switch some days reading books, and sometimes you can do it, read some Spanish with them. So each page, it's meant to be a class, okay? And you can do it little by little, and when your child has mastered one class, you can go ahead and go to the next one. And if you are done with 2 or 3 classes and your child wants to go back with the A, B, C, D, you can go ahead and go back, okay? This is gonna be information just for you. You have to be member of this information. You have to be the owner of this information. You are gonna have a password, and you are gonna have material only for you and your family, okay? So I hope you like this news, and stay tuned because it's gonna start coming little by little inside of our website. Remember, SpanishPlaydates.com, and then you have the tab for digital downloads. Okay? I hope you like it, and I'll see you soon later in our videos and songs. Adios. Mwah.